Students, revision is very important. So today we will start with the revision of chapter 1. The globe. Let's start with our back exercises. Question 1. What do you understand by the following terms? First, globe. Second, axis, and third, equator. We will take globe first. A globe is a man-made model of Earth. Second, axis. An axis is an imaginary line passing through an object about which it rotates. In the image you can see that axis is passing through the earth on which it is rotating. Equator. Equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Children, remember it is only an imaginary line. In the image you can see that the red line, equator, is dividing the earth into two equal halves. Question 2. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the earth. In a previous class, we have studied about atmosphere and the various layers of atmosphere. Question 3. What are latitudes? List the features of latitudes. Indicate diagrammatically some important parallels or latitudes. We will answer this question one by one. First, we will talk about what are latitudes. The lines running parallel to the equator on the globe are called latitudes. You can see in this picture that the lines are running along the equator. Features of latitude. The equator is the longest latitude. Lines of latitude run parallel to each other in east-west direction. Again, it is given in the image. All the lines are parallel. Latitudes don't touch or cut each other. All latitudes form complete circles except the North Pole and South Pole, which are points. Here it is shown that North Pole is just a point. Similarly, South Pole is also a point. All latitudes are located at an equal distance from each other. The length of the latitude decreases as we move from equator to the poles. You can see in this picture, children, that the length of the latitudes are decreasing. Now we will talk about important latitudes. They are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. That's all for today, children.